In this video, I will show you how to do a Vlan on an EnGenius cloud switch. Click on the switch icon. Once you're in the list menu, select the switch that you're going to set up the Vlans. Click on details. Go to the Vlan tab and click. As you can see, we have the default management Vlan, which is Vlan ID 1. To add a Vlan, simply click on the Add Vlan Plus menu. Type in the Vlan ID that you wish to set and add a name. Click Apply. You will get a notification that the Vlan has set successfully. Now to tag or untag the ports, simply click on this icon. A drop-down menu will pop up. In this section right here, you can select the tag ports that are going to be used for your access and trunk ports of your Vlans. In this case, I will choose Vlan 10 to be tagged on port 1 and Vlan 10 to be tagged at port 8. This port is also going to be assigned for our access point. Once you have completed the tagging for Vlan 10, simply click the check icon. Okay, as you can see, your Vlan 10 has now been tagged successfully. We can add a second Vlan, Vlan ID 20, and we'll call it for guests. Click Apply. Again, we're going to tag the ports. We'll click 1 and 7. Alright, so once we have completed the assignment of Vlans, click Apply. So your changes are now being applied. If you're connecting a computer to either one of the ports 7 or 8, it's important that you set a PVID in order for that computer PC will recognize the Vlan. In order to do that, simply go to ports. In this case, we'll use 7 to add a computer. We'll be assigning Vlan 20. Click Configure and select the PVID for that particular Vlan. Click Apply. As you can see, PVID 20 matches with the Vlan 20. Okay, so now that you have set up your Vlans on your switch, now we're going to add an access point and we're going to assign the Vlan on an SSID. In order to accomplish this, we go back to the dashboard and we go to the access point that will be transmitting the Vlans. We're going to go to SSID, and the SSID that's already created will be for your main network. Now we're going to add an SSID for the staff team. We're going to call it staff. We're going to add a passcode of WPA2 PSK password. In this case, we just used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the most important part in this section is tagging the Vlan to that SSID. If you remember correctly, we tagged port 8 for Vlan 10 and this is where we plugged in this particular access point. So we will need to choose Vlan 10 since it's the one that we're trying to tag and broadcast through this SSID. Select Vlan 10 and remember to click apply. We're now going to verify that the SSID is broadcasting and is on Vlan 10. We're going to input the password. Once we have successfully associated to that SSID, we can verify that the IP address is now on a different subnet, which is on Vlan 10. There you have it. So this is how we create VLANs on the EnGenius cloud. Thanks for watching.